Good evening, everyone. Myself, Asim Zera, and I have been in the field of education since quite a long time. So, this is a brief topic on which I'm going to explain. That is, the name of the topic is your adjectives. Okay, now the adjective, we know that the adjective is a part of a speech. How many parts of speech are there? There are total 9 parts of speech. First one being noun, that is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Second being pronoun, that is the words used in place of a noun. Okay, for example, he, she, it, they. Neha is writing right now. She will be coming to your place today itself. Okay, Ram is singing. He is busy with the choir members. Then adjectives. Adjectives being the third part of speech, it is about describing the qualities, the attributes of a noun. For example, if something is good, or if something is bad, if something tastes sour, or if something tastes really sweet. So it describes the quality, the attributes, the quantity also about the noun. Then fourth one being your verbs. Verbs are your describing words. What are they? They are known as your describing words. So what do they describe? They describe the action. Okay, they are basically the action words. So they describe the action of a noun. For example, playing, singing, running, dancing. Then adverbs. Now if we break the words, both the words ad and verbs, what do they tell us about? It is describing an additional quality of the verb. Basically, the additional quality includes your intensity, your degree, frequency, manner, time. Okay, so these are the types of adverbs. Then prepositions. Now what do the prepositions tells us about? It tells us about the position of a noun, whether something is on the table or off the table or under the table, under the bed, okay, or below the bed, over our head, above our head. Then conjunction are basically joining of two words or two sentences. For example, Sita, Geeta. So we can write Sita and Geeta are playing together. Ram and Sham are singing together. So conjunction, that is the joining words. They are joining two words, that is Sita and Geeta, Ram and Sham. Articles a and the. Now your articles a and the are very important because mostly people make mistakes in this thing. When we use a with a consonant plus provided if that is a singular noun. For example, a girl, a boy, a hat, a cap, a cow, a sheep. When we come to an, the article an, we use an with only when there are 5 vowels present. Okay, 5 vowels are a, e, I, o, u. So these are your 5 vowels. For example, an ice cream. The sound should also be there of I. An R. H-O-U-R. R. An R. An elephant. An orange, sound of O. An apple, sound of A. The first letter has to be a vowel. Then only we can use the article an. Now we are coming to the third article, that is the or the. Now the is used when we are talking about definite articles. Okay, when we are talking about a definite noun. Okay, so the is used with plural noun also, and the is used when we have a definite noun. Okay, interjection. Now interjection seems to be a very new part of speech to all of you, but it tells us about the expression of a noun. For example, and we normally use exclamation mark along with the in interjection, sorry, we use exclamation marks mostly. So it tells us the expression of the noun, the intensity of a noun. Oh god, wow, bravo, these are your interjections. Now coming up to the main topic, that is the adjectives. Okay, there are two types of adjectives. First is qualitative, second is quantitative. From discussing all the 9 parts of speech, now we are going to discuss about the describing words, in short, adjectives. How many adjectives are there? There are two types of adjectives, qualitative and quantitative. Now qualitative adjectives can be used to describe color, opinion, size, shape, origin, material, distance, texture, time, age, temperature. Which color are you going to wear? I am going to wear a red color. What is the shape of the ball? The shape of the ball is round. What is the texture of her hair? She has got straight and silky hair, or the texture of her hair is straight and silky. What is her opinion about me? Her opinion is good about me. Which origin do you belong to? I belong to India. At what time can I see you? I can see you early at 7 p.m. Then, is she old or young? She seems to be an old lady as she is aged 58 years. Size. What is the size of the ball? The size of the ball is small. Which material is the ball made up of? It is made up of a rubber material. Then, what is the temperature today? Or how cold is the temperature? The temperature seems to be, or perceptibly, the temperature seems to be very cold. How is the distance between your school and your home? How much distance? Then the distance between my school and home is short. It is not that much. Then the second adjective is quantitative, means expressing the number of nouns in numeral form. That is how many. How many oranges have you eaten? I have eaten 2 oranges. How many apples have you got? I have got 8 apples in all. How many mangoes are green in color? There are 7 mangoes green in color. So it basically modifies a noun or noun phrase. So this is the main topic, this is the gist of the topic adjective. There are also certain parts about it, for example your comparison and all, and we are going to discuss that in next class. Now you all have got a basic idea about what the adjectives are about, and now I am going to end up this topic. Adding further to the topic, there are comparisons also, the degree of comparison when it comes to adjectives, for example good, better, best, dear, dearer, dearest. So these are the comparison or the degree of comparison when it comes to adjectives also. Okay, so now I'm going to end this class. Thank you.